Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I was actually not going to record today. Oh, sorry, rude of me. Happy 4th of July, aka happy 14 days after Juneteenth. I was not going to film today, but then I was like, why not? It's already like 6 o'clock and we're just now starting to like grill out. We didn't invite anybody over or go over anybody's house. We just kind of chilled out with just us. So the kids are like lounging around. They already did their chores and put on their night clothes. But we're going to sit on the patio area and we're going to cook. So I will show you guys what we cook and then you guys can hang out with us for a little bit while we listen to music and just do our normal thing. So I got the corn wrapped here, and the way that I make mine is I use it with this Goya vegetable and salad seasoning that's really, really good. And I put it with butter and a little bit of sugar, and it comes out really, really good. I also made some baked beans that I have to finish, and I'm making some macaroni and cheese. It's the chicken that's gonna go on the grill, and I think that's it. Stay out the kitchen. So we're also gonna go look at fireworks tonight because my husband said that they have them somewhere around here. Is it on base? Oh, they have them somewhere around here on base at 9 o'clock. So he finna put the corn on the grill and the chicken on the grill.
All Hustle Talent, Table of Entrepreneurs. Go check out the merch,
yeah.
tableofontrepreneurs.com.
We'll have it linked down there below. Shameless plug.
Always gotta hustle, you hear me? Always. Only hustlers understand.
So as y'all can see, well, I don't know if y'all know this or not, but I know this. He done gained in the past, what, Tom?
5 days, 5 pounds.
Five pounds in 5 days.
5.8 pounds.
Yeah, so his goal, well, you tell him what your goal, what you trying to do, whatever.
Hey, man, so I'm about 5'9.5", 5'10". I'm about 5.5. No.
5'9.5".
I'm about 5'9.5", 5'10", somewhere in that window. And I was at like 145, 144. My goal was to give myself 6 months from, what is this, July? July? 6 months from July to get to 160. I started probably like 5 days ago. I was at 144 and I'm at 150.8. So I guess I gained 6 pounds.
Yeah. Because usually when he trained, it'd be like a pretty huge difference from when he started out.
I mean, just, I'll give y'all a little before and after, before I started, and then after, I'll say August 1st.
August 1st?
August 1st.
Okay, August 1st.
So we'll see where I'm at.
So here's my mac and cheese. I did it super lazy, meaning I don't have all the ingredients to make it. So I did shredded cheese, like cheddar jack, I think Colby, a little bit of cream cheese. I put some salt, pepper, obviously butter, you know, all that good stuff. And I didn't have any I used to put excuse my language. I used to put a little bit of cayenne pepper on there, and I didn't put that on there, but that's okay. I'll just throw on just a little bit of paprika on top. Okay, so now this is what we're looking like. Now that we got the mac done, we're gonna throw it in the oven. Throw it all in the oven.
All right, man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Ain't really doing too much, but today, 4th of July, 2021, my wife wanted me to get on the grill. A little bit of chicken, just enough for us to get going. That's my little pup peeking through the window. Wherever I move, he go. So this is what we got, man. I went to the dollar store, got some charcoal. I don't really like this charcoal, and I'm gonna tell you why. Like, if you're looking at the thermostat right here, man, it's only getting up to like 200 degrees. I think it was the hottest I've seen this. I mean, does that work? Yeah, it works, but I ain't really feeling the 200 degrees. I like my grill to be a little bit hotter when I'm grilling for a short period of time. Obviously, you know, if I'm smoking meat or I want that slow roll, then 200, 220, maybe 200, 250. That's what I'm looking for, but not for trying to do, you know, regular barbecue. Take you over here. This is charcoal that I got. It says Kingsford Instant Light, but I'm not really feeling this, man. Like I said, I got this from the dollar store. I don't really think it mattered that it came from the dollar store or not. At the end of the day, that's the brand. But I'm just not digging it. I'm really just not digging it. So these are instructions right here. I also like to cook or grill with flavors, you feel me? So like, that's what I should have got right there. I should have got the long burn. Well, actually, I need to read this myself because they got a bunch of stuff on here that could have been beneficial for me to know. But I like to cook with flavor. So applewood, mesquite, hickory, you know what I'm saying? I had this on the grill. I'm about to take this off. I was gonna put the corn on a cob on the grill, but I ain't gonna do that because the temperature, man, it's just gonna take way too long. And like, I put the charcoal on here. I let it get hot, turn white, all that good stuff like that. You're supposed to do it, and it's just staining. So I'm gonna have to do something to figure that out. I'm about to go get some barbecue sauce. Throw the barbecue sauce up on the sucker while it's on the grill. You know what I mean? Let that cook in and then get it going. Corn on the cob right there. I was supposed to put in the grill, so I put it in the pan, baking at 350. Put a little bit of water on the bottom of the pan. Put some butter, and then wrapped it up in aluminum foil and everything like that. It's supposed to be on the grill, man, but it is what it is. My wife made my all-time favorite. Ooh, that macaroni and cheese. You can never go wrong with that. Coming over here to the beans. Absolutely amazing. A little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of honey. All right, I got some honey barbecue sauce right here. It's Kingsford Grill also. Years ago, my father-in-law offered me one of those pellet grills. You know what I'm saying? If y'all out there, you know what a pellet grill is. But I guess it's like a grill. It's almost like a smoker, right? I don't really know too much about it. I never really did no research, but if I had to think, it's like a small. The reason the camera only showing this part of my face because I'm trying to take this paper off. But one of those grills is really like little pellets. The little pellets are almost essentially what you would do with charcoal. with wood for smoking, and they just come in like a little pellet form. But I used to say it was cheating because you know, in a traditional style. But I guess at the end of the day, smoking meat. You know what I mean? If you got the technique, you know what I mean, you got all that on it, then you good. So what I did, I went ahead and I drenched, you know, the barbecue sauce over the chicken. You feel me? Want to smother this up in there. Get it all nice and evenly coated on all sides. Both sides, I should say. Flip this up on that joint. Barbecue it up. I said this is a honey barbecue sauce. You feel me? You know what I mean, I may be being a little excessive in my pouring, but that's what it is. So I'm gonna let that cook up on now. So a lot of times with barbecuing, you'll see some people, they call it mopping. Essentially what it is like a little mini mop. Sometimes you'll see people mopping. It's like a little mini mop that you can get for barbecuing. You just create your sauce, dab it in your sauce. Once you got the mop in the sauce, you literally mop, you know, the meat or whatever the case may be like that. I don't really like gas grills. I like to stick with the charcoal. I got a smoker. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I got a smoker right there. I like to get it in with the smoker, but like I say, you smoking meat, man, to get that infused flavor of the smoke, it's gonna take time. So I like to use that. Before I had a massive, I'm talking like probably like 4 of those 4 of these long ways, and then like 2 of these front to back. You feel what I'm saying? And then I would use that. I would put charcoal on one side, steam that up, get that burning, and then I put the meat on the other side, and then in the middle, I used to get my liquid, so it'd be, depending on what type of meat I'm cooking with, but it could be orange juice, could be apple juice, it could be water sometimes or whatever, and I'll put that in there just to keep some type of humidity. And then the steam cover is what I call it. I usually close that up to allow the smoke to get trapped inside. And then you want to open up your air vent right now to allow the air to come in, keep the charcoals hot and everything like that. And then as you smoking, what happens is, with everything offset like that, the smoke rises to the top of the grill, hit the cylinder of the grill, and it just kind of circulate up in there, and then, you know, that's how you get your real good, rich smoked flavor. Hey, so when I get done with the grill, I close off the smoking top, the vent top, like I told you, and then that air vent at the side, I close that off as well, and then I just let it smother itself essentially. So because it's not getting oxygen, the fire is deprived, blah 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 blah. If y'all got other ways that y'all put y'all grill out, please do comment below. I'm a little interested to hear how y'all do it. That's the way that I've always done it. I don't know if it's the right way, wrong way, or if there is any other way. I don't really believe in, you know, dropping smoke on it. I mean, not smoke, I'm sorry, dropping water on it. Because by me suffocating the flames, I can come back and I can use the charcoals that was in there, retain some of that flavor when it burns off that, you know, old whatever it is in there. And then go from there, you feel me? So if you got any other type of way of doing that, please drop a comment below, let us know. Again, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Like I said earlier in the video, man, Out Hustle Talent, right? Original merch at tableoфentrepreneurs.com. I mean, if y'all into beauty, you're into fashion or anything like that, man, go ahead and check out simplychange.com. You know, we're going the whole 9 yards, man, multifaceted levels of business and entrepreneurship over here. So if you are also interested in getting interviewed, let's say you're an entrepreneur, you're a hustler, you out there, you know how to get your grind on, you feel me? I do a YouTube channel occasionally. If it makes sense, I interview the entrepreneurs, man, and put y'all on the channel to help bring additional business your way. So again, drop a comment below or even hit us up.
So this is how dinner came out. There's absolutely nothing healthy about it. It's nothing. Oh, there you go, the corn. I mean, but let's be real, even it's dipped in butter. But it's the 4th of July. We don't usually eat like this, but you know, we barbecuing.
More.
Okay.
I just needed Ella to grab it.
Calling the child Ella. For the record, her name is Elia. My husband calls her Ella, but her name is Elia. I'm so hungry.
Man, I ain't got no more whiskey.
Oh my gosh, you want to go to the store? Because I sure wanted to get some of that. Oh, I want to get some of that wine from Olive Garden. That Moscato.
Hi.
So this is how the nails turned out. Daddy actually helped me cut these down.
Ow.
Oh my God.
Yo, mine too, y'all. You
Get out of here.
Real manly, like.
For this family and for the media, and for these houses, and for these pets, and for the food. Now we can have more in the future. Amen.
Amen.
Why are you rubbing
More
it?
pets
That was
in the future?
Yeah, you was rubbing it with your
No,
foot.
I said in food, and now we can have more.
Oh, because definitely don't want more pets in the future.
Hey, I'm watching this YouTube show about how the body works. No, lie. I was watching this show on Netflix about how the body works. And it was talking about how back in the day, when we used to, as people, right? With our primitive nature, there would be days people went without food. And how nowadays, since food is so plentiful, you can just go to the grocery store, stock up on food, how sometimes actually not eating can be more beneficial for you. So when we eat normal food, our body converts that food into energy, blah, 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 blah. But when we enter into a stage of ketosis, keto, whatever, which is where the keto diet comes from, then it releases a different type of chemical, which actually enhances our brain function and other stuff like that. And it's usually initiated after a period of 8 hours of not eating. So I thought that was pretty cool. I always heard people talk about the keto diet, and I never knew what they were talking about, but I don't even think a lot of people who talk about the keto diet know the benefits of it.
Technically, as long as you're not eating in the middle of the night, you're already doing it naturally.
Yeah.
Because you already go those 8 to 10 hours without eating. The problem is a lot of people never get to burn what they need to burn, because usually by 7 hours they eat first thing in the morning, they eat late at night, in the middle of the night, so your body, like you said, never have a chance to really burn that stuff. But I always tell people that's how I lost almost all my weight in the beginning, was intermittent fasting. And it's easy because you literally can, as long as you eat in moderation, you can eat whatever you want, but you need to go. I do like 10 to 12 hours without eating. And then once you get used to doing it, you really find out your body really don't need it. Yeah.
Yeah, your body gonna function properly.
Why is he always crying?
Yeah, do me a favor, close the door.
Claustrophobic.
Close all the doors.
You claustrophobic?
That dog ain't claustrophobic, she making it up.
No, I don't.
She probably not.
She making it up because she don't like him being a crate. Put him crying because he want to be out around that food. Until that cat get a hold of him.
Now that we all nice and full, we are headed to look at some fireworks that my husband said is gonna be on base at 9. It's like 8:47, so hopefully when we get there it's not too packed and we're able to get like a good view. Y'all want to walk over there?
Sit right there.
Night clothes. Really?
There's more. Oh, put it right there. I see a fire truck.
Okay, stay right here, because I don't want no bugs biting us. Put this right here. I don't want no bugs. Well, I don't know. I was thinking ants and bugs and stuff. You can't see.
I just want to get away from the tree.
Stay right here.
The dirt?
Yeah.
Girl.
Come right here.
Get the winches out.
Maybe it's automatic, maybe. Oh, you smell the smoke? I smell that. Oh, you been smelled it.
Yeah, I think it just reached us.
How many they bought?
Strong. I can only imagine what that's like over there for them inhaling that stuff.
That's the smell of gunpowder, actually.
Oh, okay.
I love that smell in the morning. Like first thing.
Well, you told me that before that it was one of your favorite smells.
It sounds strange.
No, it's not strange.
One thing I can't stand though is the smell of wet grass in the morning. Or I'm sorry, freshly cut grass.
Yeah. I like the smell of books. New books. And leather. Like that new car smell.
Yeah.
And baby. Look, as they start crying. But what was that? It's like you tried to get up there and didn't quite make it.
I was gonna drive and just come park right down.
Oh, on that side? It's blocked though?
Well, that side's blocked.
Oh. It's an exit out there though.
I would have just parked right along the road.
I like how sometimes the like bulb thing.
Like a palm tree. Think about like personal maintenance.
I know.
Like, how do you know how much gunpowder to put in? You know what it mixes it with for it to make the same consistent fire.
Right. Yeah, you know how to make it pop at the perfect time at the end.
Right.
It's actually kind of a crazy concept, really.
It's like bombs.
Yeah. Colorful bombs. And I bet this stuff is expensive.
You know, they stopped making them when we was kids. We used to have Roman candles, all the other stuff. All those things, depending on what state you're in, you can't even use.
Why you sound like a church?
It was open. It was open.
Oh. You never seen one? Really?
You guys? Have you? Daddy, you?
Yeah, you just said that we.
Huh?
Yeah, you just asked if we did. Now you hear that's like, you know, that sound like a bullet ricochet.
But it's a scary sound, different setting.
Right.
Get your money's worth. Your time worth, that was it. Get your time worth.
Yeah. They say time and money.
Nah, I definitely give it to him. It definitely is a actual, like, full
Yeah, that's been
fireworks
23
show.
minutes straight.
Yeah. Like, we didn't thought the finale was coming, like, legit.
Yeah. 23 minutes straight, they ain't miss a beat.
Right.
Bro, you remember that one time we went to Orlando? They was popping fireworks.
At City Walk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sucker was like,
Mm-hmm.
That was
when
it.
we went with Tasha and Kevin. It
I was like,
two,
what?
Yeah.
Heck?
It literally was like this. Look.
Not even, that's too much.
That was the show.
Yeah, that was too much credit. It literally was like, pop, pop.
They had some kind of
The
malfunction.
finale right here.
Okay, yeah. It's gotta be the finale. Look, y'all. Tripping, it was not like a planet.
Like,
right?
Said,
Didn't it look like a
Saturn,
planet?
is Saturn the one with the circle?
Yeah.
The ring.
Yeah, that one.
9:26, what was up? 9:26, what was up?
Oh, no, planet is
Babe. to get a hotel not too far away?
Oh, yeah. There you go.
We gotta leave.
Right.
No.
So